Big buddy, what's up? Me know you couldn't wait for jump up and bang in my gangster's paradise, you know. What gonna be a big bad damn? You no miss me.
Oh, you mean if me not miss you? You don't know, say you're my little tools from a longer time, you know. But anyway, and I really that me there upon right, you know. Where your man Brandon day?
You know, say me there, little eager boy gone over and mother from mommy. But him get tell me, say I'm gonna come link a little more still cast him bring a pair of clocks to wood jeans and some bad polo tees for you.
Yo, Ashley, you know, say a man violate the thing though. And we good have to go fix him, you know.
What you mean by that, brother? How what Brendan could have did so? I what talk to me.
You know, so we on them board from cross the free now, little vibes, and more time we have to step to them and make sure so we put them in them place so the boy them not come invade the community. You know that, right?
Yeah, me know. See, our vibes are going with Uno and the little dirty boy them from cross the road. But what that have to do with Brandon, better than?
When the boy there fired him, I link him and make him know the 100 and make him know, say, yo, you need to send in a little piece of food so we can help buy some can to protect the ends. And the boy look upon me, big bad badder than, and I make me know, say, he'll not dep on that. I disrespect, and from a boy, disrespect badder than him butt off a flick.
Come on, man, baby, man. You're pretty wrong things right now. Brendan a little soft soap. Brendan not deserve that. You never have to waste a bullet pan Brendan. Brendan can't mash no hands. Just leave Brendan alone. Brendan never worried you storing up your anger and getting all heated about. Right now, you should be getting heated about me. You know, miss in the gangster's paradise. So I'm to you, man. Just chill no better than, man. Come, man. You know you are a little of your goods.
The boy really bring in some bad gear to me and me a plan for lick him way. But better than, you don't know how you generally know. The call don't make fun the boy life, so you have to stay focused and make sure so you use him as an example. So none of them little boy no feel like say them can size up with the damn thing.
Even though me love better than I love the badness, but Brandon don't deserve this. Me have to go find a way if you want Brandon, but better than a plan, you know.
They still there try to make sense out of what better than us if we go on. Because Brandon a good youth. And Brandon and brother than are like brothers. And what could I really go wrong? Make better than what fit Brandon back. I mean, come task me to deal with it out of everybody else. I worry in go on. But then again, I'm reading my place to try to figure out why better than one Brandon back for flick still. He's just a foot soldier, so me have to just do, even though it not sit right with me.
I come over up and go over my yard too, you know, if you go pick up them few little gears I want me bring in for my bad brother better than and go link him on the ends and give him the good news, cause me did promise him, you know. So me I go get the link over up on the farmer program so him can come in and come put in some work and leg out the badness. Wagwan my bad bro better than you know say you me just a talk about to myself I say yo me need to go link the G. So me just I say yo me go come circle my ends, grab them few little items that we bring back for you and come circle upon your block so we can hold a one reasoning. But like how you there, make hold the one reasoning then no.
Yeah man, you know say the eye good still Brandon. You don't know what they in the streets like the white line, you know.
Yo Ashley baby, going at the bedroom the feminine, looking at the suitcase, I see a bag with some jeans and the clocks in it. I better than forget them there. Grab them for me so I can bless up the G.
Alright, babes, might I be a little can bring them come.
You remember when me did make you know, say yo, I gotta go up and set the link so you can come up on the next farmer program. Well, the link set in a bad bro. Yeah man, you can come up on the next farmer program. I gotta show you everything. Who for link, help you sign up the papers and everything so you can come in and come pick some apples and make some money same way so you can step away from that certain lifestyle and live different.
It sound good still, but you know, say, not my type of thing that in a Brandon. If me go pick anything, it's easy, I'ma pick a pocket. And you know, so we not literally do that still, but just to show you, anytime I drop on the ice, man, I go link up the bad charge, them over there, I don't know, I go run straight the real way and make some real money. You don't know the thing set, man, and I'm my type of thing that.
My bro, I look out for the ice still, you know, because I just have a bad feeling about the life here we all live. Really would I love you to live up and change and turn away from the lifestyle and come on the side of the fence and experience it for yourself. You not have to walk and look behind you. You not have to bleach at night time. You not have to worry about police or worry about your enemies them. It's a better life on the side there and better than. Me I tell you about bro, it's a better life. And take me advice, man, and come in on the next farmer program.
Babe, sit and argue with mother damn stuff.
See gears them here in my bad bro. Just go and hold on upon them, man. I come circle the ends later still and come give her further reasoning upon what we did at all about. You see it?
Alright, brother, now see a wood, man. But you see you later in I treat. Stay there worry about me, man, for bring me upon the next farmer program. You not gonna live for go upon the next one.
Me or you tell better than boy I go come circle the ends tonight, you know. Let me tell you this, Brandon. You nah left you tonight and me and you lock down all night tonight. Baby, look how long me no see you. And you talk about figure circle ends and my ends there. Well, when you come circle it. I want to tell you, Brandon, you're crazy. Father God, please don't make him left you tonight. Please, Father God, as bad as things be star. Brandon, I'm good youth and him don't deserve a better than a plan for him.
Yo, Tuggy, everything copacetic and ready. You remember the pre me did show you about the boy Brandon. It's still on, you know. Just make sure so when time me give the call, your trigger finger ready for press. Him say I come circle with on the ends later still, cause you don't know we are gonna play some music and fry some fish and all I want joy later. So him say I gonna come circle with. So as the boy circle, you don't know dirt settings.
Alright, my general, from I say I saw you know my boss. Once Brandon touched on the ends later, I'd just flick him back and got shallow grave him round the one plot round so. You don't know my general, man, we have that covered.
Hey baby, come sit at the table. I made your favorite dish. Stew peas and rice with pig's tail and some chicken foot in it. Me know you love your stew peas and Brandon say no me have to prepare the best for my baby. So let us just have this wonderful candlelight dinner and then just go back to the bedroom and Netflix and chill and who knows what may come after.
A damn thing you make me have to love you so much, Ashley. Cause you always just know the right thing to do at the right time. I who tell us I want some stew keys and rice in idea. You come like you read my mind from morning me I pray. They tell us if I make some stew keys and rice, I could sit down and eat, you know. And there you go, you just made my day. Perfect. I love you, baby.
So which movie you want me to pick out to watch, baby? Because remember, you know, I come circle my ends later. Although you say you want to link your bad brother better than but I don't feel like if I leave out of the house tonight. Just please, baby, stay in with me. Let us watch a Netflix movie. And then, trust me, baby, I will make it worth your while for staying home with me tonight.
Sounds good enough, baby. I really want to stay in with you tonight, but remember, somebody promised me bad bro better than see me I come circle him on the ends and finish the reasoning with him, you know. So as soon as we get that sort out, man, I'll come right back home to you, baby, and then we can just Netflix and chill and make the night end in a wonderful way. Trust and believe, man. Make a come back. Believe me.
How mega tell Brandon say better than a plan for flick him back in the night have him go around on the corners. So other God, show me a way if you tell him. Well, it seems as if me have to find a way to go with Brandon around on the ends, you know, because if better than see me and him, chances are he won't fire no shot because he love me. Well, Brandon, if you go run pan the ends later, go link better than try no say me I come with you, You know, left me alone at the house tonight. Coulda bright. Me hear say them a go fry fish and play music and keep big bashment round there. So me I go just dress up, put on my nice clean clothes, well suit out in the Tory birch, handbag and slippers that my man bring for me, and me and you go make a step there tonight. Alright?
Yo, Shotfoot, what I go on, you know, so me have a little one work, so when I want me, you figure mash up later for the general better than do.
Yo, Tuggy, why I go on? What kind of works that you want me and you figure mash up in the later to the general better than?
You know, say general give me some instructions, say want me for mash up Brandon little more, start film like a bridging from around the street there. But me no know what really go on between them still, but as a foot soldier, I don't know we can to question what the general say. From the general say dirt settings, we have to just deal with the dirt and call it a day.
What you say to me, Tuggy? Brandon. Me no get that neither. The general want to go flick Brandon butt. And him and Brandon good. No know still, but as I say, when I question with the general, I say still, Brandon gots to go.
Yo, Shotfoot, when you left your son, just go around a black boy yard and look under the mango tree. You just see a piece of zinc lean up right side of the foul cup there, so. If you look underneath the zinc there, so you just see a Glock 40 put on right there, so a year strap that for the night. Make sure so you tuck it in neat enough so the police boy did not too suspect nothing when you chat the streets and come round pan the block. Because as Brandon forward pan the block, we have to just do the dirt. Same time, Mega already strap up and dip on the ends and ready and waiting, man. So link up later around pan the block, you see it?
Yeah, man, my general, man. Where you say, man, from you say, I saw. I got definitely link up later upon the ends and just do the do. Because you don't know, so we have to make a good and lasting impression upon the general better than.
Even though my better judgment, I tell me say something right about this, you know. But me the follow what the general says still, there has to be a method to better than madness.
Baby, me really know I leave out of the house, Just me could just stay in a Brandon, please. Me could just watch a Netflix movie, and then later will be greater.
Actually, baby, you have to understand, say as a man, we have to stand by our word. I promise my bad brother better than, so me I gotta come round pan the ends, come link him, all I want reasoning. And then after we done that, then you don't know, we just probably sip on 2 drinks and get the vibes right. So when time we come back, and I watch a Netflix movie, who knows? Maybe at the movie I can start to watch us. What do you think about that? Anyways, baby, get dressed, man, and make we step out.